there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Annie, and I'm the person behind Block by Block Alaska. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own coffee mugs using Printify and Canva. Printify is a print-on-demand partner that you can use to design tons of custom products. They have over 1,000 products that you can choose from to design in your own style. But today we're going to be focusing specifically on the solid white coffee mugs from District Photo. So let's get right to it. Alright, so first off, head over to the Printify website and head over to their home and living and then their mugs section. There's tons of mugs you can pick from, but today we're going to be looking at the mug by District Photo. This is one of the best-seller mugs featured on Printify. I've personally had samples of these, and they are a super high-quality product, microwave and dishwasher safe, so you can print any design on it, and you're not going to have any trouble with it washing off. Next, scroll on down, and you're going to need to find the print area size. This is the dimensions that you're going to set your Canva project size to. So make sure you remember that number. Go to Custom Size on Canva, enter in those dimensions, and click Create New Design. This next part is where you get to have a little bit of fun. Have some fun, play around with some designs. I'm specifically going for a floral design, and this would be a custom mug, so you can add your own initials or your own phrase to the mug. So first off, I'm going to get started by finding just a simple flower set that I can use as a border. This one's a great one. I love the color scheme. So let's just fill up the bottom of the mug, and then I'm going to want to add some text. So head over to the text tab, click Add a Heading, and then type in the text that you're going to use, size it up, and then position it right about in the middle of that second half of the mug. You're probably going to want to change the font. For me, I'm going to switch it over to this one because I think it matches the design of the flower a little bit better than the last one did. Make sure to change the color so that it fits your color scheme, and then I'm planning to also add a little bit more of a floral design, so I'm going to add this line beneath the text name, so it adds a little bit of a border between this, the initial part of the design, and the actual phrase that's going to go underneath it. So just size it and resize it and just organize it however it looks good to you. You just want to make sure that it's all together, neatly aligned. Next thing is I'm going to add my phrase, and this is just something I made up on the spot and I really didn't think about it, so it's very corny. Adjust it. I need to adjust it so the size and the font fits a little bit better. And once I've got it all lined up and it looks real good, I'm going to finish tweaking the spacing because I think the spacing could use a little bit more work. And then I'm just going to select all these, go to position, group them, and then move them over as one group. Make sure they're equally aligned and both the same distance away from the side. And then once I'm done that, go to Share, Download, and then download it. I recommend downloading with a transparent background, which you can only do if you're a pro member. Upload it to Printify and head into Preview to see how it looks. This is where you really want to make sure that it's all lined up, they're evenly on both sides. It's not too high, it's not too low, it's not too small, it's not too big. If there's any changes, head back over to Canva, fix the sizing problems that you've got, and then re-upload it back to Printify. Once you've got that, exit the design editor and then scroll on down all the way and click Save Draft. And then go to the top of your Printify and click Get a Sample, select your product, and let's see how it looks. Alright, and these are the mock-up photos of that mug that we just designed. They look pretty good in my opinion. So that's how you do it. And thank you so much for tuning in.